Ladies and gentlemen, the research topic is the development of an instructional model using connectivism to promote creativity based on teacher professional standard for Thai higher education. The researcher team consists of Mr. Narongsak Sangpom, a PhD candidate in Information and Communication Technology for Education, or in short, ICT for Education. Faculty of Technical Education, King Mongkut's University of Technology, North Bangkok, Thailand. And Associate Professor Dr. Namon, the Director of the PhD program in the same division, which is ICT for Education, King Mongkut's University of Technology, North Bangkok, Thailand. The scope of research will be presented with background, objectives of the research procedure, results, and acknowledgement. Okay, let's begin. First, the research background. In 1999, the revolutionary of the Thai education following the Congress meeting for Ministry of Education in Italy called the Bologna process, that focused on the learning outcomes of graduates in different fields. The revolution of the Thai educational structure and teaching method that initiated to equip the students with thinking skills, problem-solving skills, and appreciation of Thai cultures. Today, however, it is found that a large number of students do not meet the intellectual standards. Referring to the intellectual structure theory, Guilford said, creative thinking was an ability of the brain to think widely in multi-directions. In other words, it was called divergent thinking, including originality, fluency, flexibility, and elaboration. This is a compliance with the Connectivism theory and the new trends of instruction in the 21st century, the digital age. According to the Connectivism of George Siemens and Stephen Downes, Namon said the integration of different ideas based on connectivism consists of 5C model. For example, connective knowledge, connective resources, communication collaboration, and lastly, creativities. This model is a learning theory that encourages the learners to have creative thinking skills. Therefore, the research developed an instructional model using connectivism to promote creativity of the learners based on teacher professional standards for Thai higher education. The objectives of the study. The objective of the research study was to develop an instructional model using connectivism to promote creativity for Thai students of higher education. The subjects in the study included 6 experts in higher education, instructional design, in curriculum development, and in information technology and communication. All subjects were obtained by means of purposive sampling. The independent variable was an instructional model using connectivism to promote creativity, and the dependent variable was the suitability of the said model. Research background and the objectives of the study, I would like to talk about it in the next phase. The research procedure to develop an instructional model is divided into 2 phases. Phase 1, developing the models by studying and analyzing the relevant documents and research studies. 2, developing the instructional model. 3, presenting the model to the advisors for further examination and revision. 4, creating tools for evaluating the suitability of the instructional model. Phase 2, evaluating how suitable is the instructional model is into 2 steps. Step 1 is simply presenting the instructional model for evaluating to the experts in their fields of instructional design, curriculum development, and IT. Step 2 is to analyze the data based on the suitability criteria. Now let's move on to the research results. In result, this research study could be presented into 2 parts. Part 1, the design model derived from analysis and synthesis of research documents as shown in Figure 1, includes the elements of instructional model. The elements of instructional model using connectivism based on the idea of C5 model, Namon 2011, and using the learning process of AAA Model, Namon 2008. are as follows. 1. Analysis of results from the synthesis of Connectivism conceptual framework, which stands for 1. Connective knowledge. 2. Connective research. 3. Communication. 4. Collaboration. And 5. Creativity. 2. Activity. It was about the design, development, and application of learning activities, the step of pre-activities, and learning activities. 3. Authentic assessment. There were various patterns of assessments that focused on creativity of the learners. The results of the evaluated model conducted by 6 experts, and the results are here presented on your screen. According to Table 1, it was found that the instructional model using Connectivism to promote the overall creativity was overall suitable in a good level, the average of 4.16 and standard deviation of 0.64. Finally, we have come to the acknowledgement. The researchers that I would like to express our sincere thanks is to the King Mongkut University of Technology North Bangkok and Rajmangala University of Technology Suvarnabhumi for the overall support of the funds and scholarships. Thank you very much for your attention. We hope you have learned something today. Thank you again.